Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Alhamdulillah. Salatu wassalamu ala Rasulillah. Inshallah. Now we'll go on to the next section, 4.3.8, which is al-ismu taam. Al-ismu taam. There's no English translation of the word, so we will never know. So al-ismu taam is over here, second to the last section in this part of al-asma ul-amila. We just finished al-mudaf. So ismu taam. Okay, so let's figure out what ismu taam is. Ismu taam, definition. Okay, it is that noun which gives the noun after it, which is a tamiz and nasab. It is that noun, getting the colors here. It is that noun, okay, which gives, okay, the noun which is actually a tamiz, tamizun. This is tamizun. Okay, I'm after it. After it, I should bring that after it to a little bit more. After it, okay, a nasab. Nasbun. Nasab. Okay, like this. Okay. So we're talking about, okay, a noun here, after which is a tamiz, okay, and the tamiz is going to be mansub. So there's a noun that's mansub over here, okay, and this is going to be ismu taam, okay, al-ismu at-taam, okay. So this is al-ismu taam, and it's the ismu taam that's giving the next word after, which is a tamiz, a mansub, okay. Okay, is that noun which gives the noun after it is tamiz and nasab, okay. So there are okay, so a noun will be considered, a noun, okay, will be considered taamun, will be considered taamun, okay, will be considered taamun when it has one of the following. When it has one of the following. Okay, what does it have? Okay, A, B, C, D. They say A, B, C, D. I'll use 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, because it's just 1, 2, 3, 4 is easier to remember. 1. It has a tanween. It has a tanween. Okay. I'll write this sentence. Ma fi samai. Ma fi samai. There is not in the sky. Okay. Khudru. Khudru. Rahatin. Rahatin. Sahaban. Sahaban. Okay. So sahaban. First, let's understand the sentence. I'll write the English meaning over here. Okay, so there is not even a palm's measure of clouds in the sky. There is not even a palm's measure of cloud in the sky. Ma fi samai khudru rahatin. Khudru rahatin. Palm's measure. So khudru is measure. Rahatin, I'm assuming, is palm. Okay. Khudru rahatin. Yeah, measure of palms. Khudru rahatin. And then hasaban is clouds. Okay. Ma fi samai, there's not in the sky. Khudru rahatin, palms measure of clouds. Okay. Now here, see, this is a tamiz, right? So this is tamiz and it's mansub. Okay, tamizun. Okay, and it's mansub. And then following, okay. So and because there is a tanween, okay, and now be considered tam when it has one of the following clouds, okay, when it has one of the following. So this word right here, rahatan, has a tanween here, so that is a tam. Okay, it has a tam, the rahatan, and the tamiz is therefore like this. Okay, so that's one example. So number 2 scenario is, okay, a hidden tanween. Okay, hidden tanween. It has a real tanween or it has a hidden tanween. Okay, let me write this sentence. Ma'i ahada ashara rajulan. So ma'i ahada ashara rajulan. Rajulan. Okay, there are 11 men with me. There are 11 men with me. Now see, this phrase here, okay, was originally ahadun wa ashrun. Ahadun wa ashrun, and these are hidden. Okay, those are hidden. Those are hidden. Ma'i ahadun wa ashrun rajulan. Okay, and because those are hidden, and this is then the tamiz. Okay, that's the tamiz for this over here for ahadun wa ashrun tam. Okay, all right, that's a tam. Ahadun wa ashrun. So that's the second scenario. Okay, noon of a dual noun. Okay, the third scenario in noun is, section is kind of funky, but funky is okay once in a while. So there is noon of a dual noun. That's kind of funky, right? Noon, why would, how about now? Of a dual noun. Okay, so example. Let's write the example. In the khafizani burran. I have 2 khafiz of wheat. Burran. In the okay, khafizani burran. Okay, so let's write the meaning. Khafizani is 2 khafiz. Two khafizes. Now khafiz is a measure of volume. In classical Arabic, which is apparently equal to like 40.344 liters. Okay. Okay, I have 2 khafiz of wheat. I have 2 khafiz of wheat. And again, here this is tamiz. Okay. And then there's this noon here, see? There is this noon, okay, of dual. Okay, that's that noon over there. So, khafizani. All right. So that's the third scenario for tam. And number 4th scenario. Okay, noon which resembles the noon of a sound masculine plural. Okay, another noon scenario. Noon. Okay, which resembles. Okay. Noon of sound masculine plural. Sound masculine plural. That is Jama Muzakkar Salim. Jam'un Muzakkarun Salimun. Jamu Muzakkar Salim. Okay. Jam'un Muzakkarin. Jam'u Muzakkarin. Jam'u Mudaf li. Jam'u Muzakkarin Salimun. Okay. Jam'u Muzakkarin Salimun. Okay, so example. Alright, so example is Indi Ishruna. Indi Ishruna Dirhaman. Dirhaman. Okay, I have 20 dirhams. Okay, so I have 20 dirhams. Okay, so here again we have a noon, right? That looks like a Ishruna Jama Muzakkar Salim, right? Ishruna, and then and therefore this is tamiz over here. Okay, so tamiz, so and this would be therefore taam. Okay, so that's the taam in here. So so those are the 4 cases. Okay. Now the ism taam in the above example cannot be mudaf, which while having a tanween or having a noon of dual or plural, does the noun after it gets a nasbun because of it being tamiz. Okay, very important. See, they're saying over here that this is not a mudaf, okay? Because if you're a mudaf, you'd have dropped the dual noon, right? And of dual and plural noon, the noon is dropped in mudaf. So this is not a mudaf, okay? In the ishruna, so that's why it's tamiz. The ismu tam in the above example cannot be mudaf because having a tanween or having a noon of dual plural, this the noun after it gets a nasbin. So it's obviously it's not a mudaf. So even in these examples, mudaf cannot have a tanween. Okay, so that's not mudaf. Right? So that's what they're pointing out. It's not a mudaf scenario. It's a tamiz scenario. Okay. So this is a kind of funky topic, I think. But let's just go over what we have learned here. And about a new, I don't know what the word taam means. I like to know what the word taam means. Ismu taam, ismu that completes. I don't know. Okay. Okay. 1 second. Okay, I just googled it, and mukammil. It means mukammil kam in Urdu. The guy was saying it's a complete noun. Okay, that sounds good to me. Complete noun. Okay, so it is a complete noun. Okay, so it's a complete noun in the sense that it is a noun with tanween, basically. A noun that tanween is a complete noun. When it is used in etc., it will lose the tanween, right? So it is that noun which gives the noun after tamiz after it, okay, the nasbun. So ism tam is like this, okay? And then you'll see that a noun will be considered tam when it has one of the following properties. It has a tanween, okay? So it's in its original complete form, okay? So whenever it has a tanween. So if it mudaf does not take tanween, so it's not mudaf. So it's in its original form, complete form, rahatin. And then it will require a tamiz after it. Okay, so tam it becomes actually in other ways it's mumayyiz. Okay, mumayyizun. So it becomes mumayyizun, but it's a complete. But this is a special case scenario of tamiz scenario. Okay, and then or it has a hidden tanween like this because I don't know, Ashram, there was a tanween in there. And the noon situation here, noon of dual, is that the noon of dual in the farihani, this the dual is in the rough state, right? So in the dual form, you don't see the tanween, but it reflects in a way, certain hidden way, a tanween, correct? So that's if it has a noon of dual. And a noon which resembles the noon of a sound masculine, because the noon of a sound masculine also suggests the tanween state. So it's basically recognizing a word in its original form, and after this, the ism tam, a tanween word, will require a tamiz. Okay, that's what it says over here. Okay, so that's what I understand of this section here. Inshallah, that will help and get more understanding in the future. Salatu wassalamu ala rasulillah. Assalamu alaikum.